Greetings and welcome to My Insurance Matters, a 5-minute weekly program designed to assist individuals and businesses manage their exposure to risk and make informed insurance decisions. This is John Shega, your host and owner of Aspire Insurance Agency. This week we're going to explore workers' compensation insurance. If you're an employee or an employer, this should be of interest to you. Workers' compensation insurance provides medical and disability coverage to covered employees for work-related injuries or illness. It is required coverage in virtually all states, and each state, not the insurance companies, set the parameters of coverage. Insurance companies simply issue the policies, collect the premiums, and settle claims based on state-mandated terms. In Minnesota, the cost of work comp insurance can vary significantly by the insurance company. Prior to workers' compensation, employees often had to sue their employers to seek compensation for work-related injuries or illness. This became increasingly cumbersome and impractical as it overloaded the court system, exposed employers to high payouts, and often resulted in the employee being terminated. To that end, the work comp system was created. The system provided a predetermined benefit schedule for work-related injuries or illness with no consideration of fault by either the employer or employee. Simply, if you're a covered employee and hurt at work, work comp applies. It is mandated by law, and the rules are very strict. Generally, any employer that has employees is required to carry work comp insurance. There are some exceptions like sole proprietors, partnerships, and family farm operations, but these are unique exceptions. If you have employees, you are probably required to carry a work comp policy. There are 5 major components that determine the cost of a work comp policy. After a quick word from our sponsor, we'll explore each. Our sponsor this week is Midwest Family Mutual Insurance Company, an insurance company originally organized in 1891. Today they offer a wide range of personal and commercial products via independent agents across the upper Midwest. Midwest Family Mutual has an A- rating by AM Best, and in 2004 they were awarded the Company Award of Excellence by the Minnesota Insurance Brokers Association. Need a company that knows Minnesota? Consider Midwest Family Mutual Insurance Company. Welcome back to My Insurance Matters. As a reminder, you can contact us at www.myinsuраncematters.biz with any insurance-related questions or concerns. This week we're exploring workers' compensation insurance. Listed below are the 5 major components that determine the final premium. Number 1, class code. Every job type in the United States is assigned to a corresponding class code. For example, Code 8810 covers clerical workers, and 5551 addresses roofers. The list is very extensive. Most companies have 1 to 3 class codes assigned to them. Number 2, payroll. Each class code is then assigned an annual payroll by the employer. Initially, it's only an estimate for the coming year. An audit at the end of the policy term makes any corrections. Number 3, base rate. This is the cost per 100 of payroll that each insurance company says they need to cover expense and make a profit. Insurance companies file these rates with the state, and therefore they are part of the public record. Base rates vary by insurance company. Number 4, experience rating or EMOD. Very important. A mathematical figure that incorporates the loss frequency and severity of a particular employer to other employers with similar characteristics. The higher the mod, the more you pay for insurance. The lower the mod, the less you pay. A 1.00 mod is called Unity. Your goal is to have a mod below Unity. If you're an employer, you definitely want to know what your mod is and explore ways to reduce it. Finally, schedule rating. In Minnesota, companies also file deviation factors that can be applied to the work comp rates to reduce or increase the overall premium. This allows the insurance company to adjust the premium to reflect the unique characteristics of that employer. The combination of any or all of these factors can have a major impact on the cost of work comp insurance. As an example, I once rated an account where the starting premium was $4.5 million, and after applying the various factors, the premium offered to the client was $1.2 million. This is obviously an extreme example, but I want to show you the potential flexibility in costs. Well, I see we're almost out of time. For Steve, our piano player, and all of us at Aspire Insurance Agency, our very best wishes for a safe and healthy week.